Since Nashville, baby, been a while since we danced along to music in the dark, to music in our hearts. Now that ain't fine. But California bred my bones, it changed my ways to walk alone, and now I'm on my own. Now I'm on my own. I know you have found love, and I have found a song to sing. But if you ever find yourself alone, and if you ever find yourself alone, find your love a home. It's time for me to say that you're still written on my heart, still wandering the edges of my mind. And after all the promises tore our hearts apart, we've still got love. Love, 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 love. So find your love a home. We were not made for each other, and though you have found a love, and I have found a song to sing, but our love was enough. You know our love, it was enough.